In our next tutorial, I'm going to show you other search methods that you can use within the application. Probably the quickest way to do a search is to look in the Choose Items to Show. It'll actually give you a list of all the items in the collection. You can click Show All, or you can show each, or click on each of the individual games here, and you can jump right to those search options. So that is based on the actual title, which is the very first field. So in whatever collection you create, it's very important that the first field be the actual title, because when you actually look at these search results here, or the list of items, it will actually be based on the title, which is the very first field. And the next thing I want to show you under search is searching by filter by using a tree here. And basically, this will actually show you all of the items that have been entered, and it'll actually give you a count. So let's go down here to the size of the board game. I have entered 2 as large, 3 as medium, 1 has no board, and 1 is small. So if I were interested in all of my board games that had a medium-sized board, I could click on medium and it would show me all those results. Let's look at primary mechanic. I have 4 games where I can roll and move. If I click roll and move, it will actually show me the 4 results, 1 of 4, and I can use the most recent search results here to jump back and forth between games. So that right there is a very effective way of searching, and it also works on the category fields. All pieces. I have 4 games that have dice. I have 1 game that's electronic. Let's click on that. We have 1 electronic game, which, if you remember, that would be Operation. So that is a very nice way to search as well. And then finally, we have a field or a option named Search All Fields. And what this will do is this will search every single field within your entire collection, and it will tell you where it found it, what the item name is, and what field the actual information was entered into. So let's say, for instance, that I want to type in the word medical, because I know that I entered the word medical on one of my board games and I can't remember which one. If I click find, it will show me that the title of the game was Operation, the label was topic and category, and that's where it found it. So if I click show, it will bring up Operation. I look for topic category here, and it shows me that the word medical is there. So to show you that one more time, I will do search all fields. I'll search, let's clear that, search for the word skill, click find. I've entered, once again, skill into Operation, or I could even type in the actual name of a game. So I could actually type in Monopoly, and I click find, and I see that Monopoly was the title of the game, and I use it as a picture title and actual title of the game. So if I click on picture title and click show, it'll jump to the pictures tab, and it found Monopoly because when I click info, that was the title of the picture. So when it finds the item, it will actually jump to the item and jump to the tab where the information is actually entered. So that right there is a very, very powerful feature. And if you remember back on miscellaneous lists, if you watch that tutorial, let's do another search. Search all fields. Clear it out. We actually loaned our game out to Robert, if you remember. So let's type in Robert and click find, and it shows that the title was Game of Life. It was a miscellaneous list item. It was loaned to Robert and returned from Robert. I can click show. It will actually jump to the Game of Life, as you see up here in the title, the Game of Life. It'll jump directly to the miscellaneous list tab, and there you see the name Robert, excuse me. So as you can tell, we have some very powerful searching features within my own collectibles.